back to our YouTube channel.
Our little Escapades.
What have you been sent? You've been sent a big bundle of stuff, and what is it of?
Baby born.
Are you very, very excited?
Yes!
Very excited about the baby born that she's been sent. And what's this one?
A baby born scooter stuff.
It is a baby born scooter. It says, let's go baby born. And I didn't realise, but it's got a remote control.
Yeah, you use the remote control for it to move.
Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Shall we open it up?
Yeah, that way there's stickers.
Is it stickers?
Yeah.
Do you think it sticks on the scooter?
Yeah.
And then apparently this is for your baby to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah? So you've got a soft touch baby, haven't you?
Yeah, I don't want her coat on.
You don't want a coat on?
No.
We haven't even shown the outfit that you've got.
No.
Shall we open this one?
Yay!
Be careful when you take it out of the box, because I'm not sure if I've just marked it up a little bit on the table.
You didn't make it a mark.
No? So there's your scooter. This needs batteries. A remote control.
Yeah.
This looks like it's a shopping bit on the back, so we'll have to look where that goes. And a visor. We've got some stickers.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's all letters and number plates, so let's just have a look what it tells you to do on the book. So we've got to put batteries in this one. This is the remote control. This takes 2 AAA batteries, or AAA batteries, as my mum would say. Got batteries in your remote control. And then there are batteries under the seat.
Yeah, but I can't even press it, it's not moving.
Because it's not switched on yet. I've got to put batteries under the seat. So in this section, this takes 4 AA batteries. Clip that back on, and then should we just see where the stickers go?
It's not moving.
That's because I've not turned it on yet. So this is the visor.
Yeah.
And the visor looks like it goes in the top of the light. You've got a basket bit, and that goes on the back.
Yeah.
She's got a shopping basket on the back. And there's a little button in here that looks like
Turns on.
it controls where the steering wheel's going. Like where the main wheel's going, if you need that on. Should we just see where any stickers go? I think you can put the stickers wherever you want to put the stickers. But
I want to do the stickers.
Well, this sticker sheet here, there's a number plate, so let's put the sticker...
No, I don't want to do number stickers yet.
No, I just want to put a number plate sticker on. Which one do you want? Pink or blue?
Pink.
Pink. So put that... Ooh. Put that on the back of there. And then there's a speedometer somewhere, and you've got space for a speedometer.
Yeah, I want to do this.
Let me put the speedometer
I
on.
want to put
Where are you going to put that one?
at the front somewhere.
Okay, there's no position for it, so you can put that wherever, but I need to put the speedometer on. Where are you going to put it? Alright, and then I'm going to put the speedometer up here, and then there's lots more stickers. I'm guessing you can just put wherever you want. There you go, speedometer up there. Now, if you turn this on, what happens?
You've got to turn it on. Can I put the sticker on? Can I put the
Go on then.
sticker on? Okay. More stickers. That's what.
No, not on the wheel. Put it there. Don't drag it along. What we're going to do, it looks like I've got it working, but we're going to get the baby born ready. And
yeah, can I try it?
no, but we want to try it on the floor. Don't want to try it on the table.
Yeah, but you tried it.
One little bit. You have to press the button. Right, stop now. What we're going to do is we're going to get our soft touch baby ready for his scooter adventure. Yeah, and then we'll put him on his scooter.
Yeah!
Yeah, and we can scoot him around. So we'll just go and get our soft touch baby, shall we? Yeah?
Yeah.
This is our baby born soft touch that you were sent to review last time.
Don't say soft touch.
Well, that's his name because he's soft to touch, and he is actually a boy. But we were sent a pink outfit for him, which is fine. He likes a bit of pink, doesn't he?
Yeah.
But to go on his scooter adventures, what else have we been sent? We've been sent a helmet and a city outfit, I think it is.
Yeah, have a look.
Yep, a city outfit, ready to go on the scooter. So shall we get him dressed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now they come with a hanger as well, these outfits. It's got some shorts and some leggings.
Yeah, can we put them
And a
on?
t-shirt.
Can we put them on now?
And a jacket, yeah. Take his pyjamas off. And then to be safe, he needs his scooter helmet. It's got a little buckle to undo. There you go. He's got his safety helmet on, which goes up and down as you were showing me. How does he sit on the scooter? Should we try him on the scooter?
Yeah. And then use the remote control, then he will be all ready. Have to put his hands like that.
I think you have to put this round. I think the big bit. Oh. There you go.
Don't go in there.
There he is, ready for his adventure.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and take him into the kitchen and see if I'm scooting around. did you like? Did you like this scooter?
Yeah.
And did you find it easy to control because you've got up, down, left, right? Was that easy? We tried to make him do a circle, but we haven't quite got the knack of that yet, have we? But you can go backwards and forwards quite easily. We've got to work on going around in a circle because we tried, but we couldn't get the knack of pressing that.
She needs to go back in her pajamas.
You want to put her back in the pyjamas? Has it been a busy day?
So she wanted to go to bed.
Wants to go to bed?
Yeah.
But do you think he liked his scooter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it works better outside, doesn't it, than it does on carpet, because it gets a bit stuck on the carpet.
Yeah.
So that is the baby born scooter.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.